Hi, Gordon Ramsay. I'm begging you to rate my cook's fried mackerel. Hashtag rate my food. I'm eating tastier goldfish. Oh, yes. Let's go. Gordon Ramsay, what do you think about these fresh spring rolls? Does your cut need stitches? Look at the blood on the plate. At Gordon Ramsay, what do you think of my teriyaki shrimp pineapple boats? Throw them overboard! Those weren't too bad. At Gordon Ramsay, what do you think about my eggs? Haunted eggs! Looks like a mask! At Gordon Ramsay, how do you like my steak and cheese with sweet baby rays? Read about it. What? Looks like your cat's been over your dog's diarrhea! Hold on, look at it! What do you think of my toast, mate? Another mask! Perfect for Halloween! Hey, Gordon Ramsay, what do you think about our barbecue food? Super cool sunglasses emoji. 50 Shades of Sausages. I still don't get the 50 Shades joke. Hey, Gordon Ramsay, what do you think of my first proper attempt at a deep dish pizza? Okay. Now dig a deepish hole and bury it. There's no cheese on the pizza. It's just tomato sauce. At Gordon Ramsay, first time I made grilled cheese, what do you think? You forgot the cheese. Well, I still think he was looking at that pie on the previous one. My friend made this. How does it look, Gordon Ramsay? What is that? Looks like a flattened airplane!